Most people think silver is just gold's cheaper cousin. They see the price swinging wildly and they panic. But what if I told you that the volatility you're seeing isn't a sign of weakness? It's a signal that the entire global supply is about to break? Today, silver isn't just money. It's the secret ingredient in the 5G revolution, the AI boom, and something nobody talks about: modern warfare. While the world looks at Bitcoin and gold, a massive short squeeze is building in silver. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you why the US government just designated this as a national security asset, and why, historically speaking, silver might be the most undervalued asset on the planet. Let's dive in. Silver has a split personality problem. For 5,000 years, it was money. But today, it's the world's most essential industrial metal. It's the best conductor of electricity known to man. Think about this. Solar power. 20% of global silver is now sucked up by solar panels. EVs. Electric vehicles use nearly double the silver of a gas car. AI. Data centers and semiconductors can't run without it. The vanishing factor. When you buy a gold bar, it stays in a vault. But when silver goes into a smartphone or a circuit board, it's used in tiny, microscopic amounts. It's almost never recycled. We are literally burning through our above-ground stocks and throwing them in the trash. Now, here's the part your newsfeed is missing. Silver is the backbone of modern warfare. One single cruise missile requires about 500 ounces of silver for its guidance system. When that missile hits its target, that silver is vaporized, gone. As global tensions rise and nations rearm, the demand for military-grade silver is exploding. But if you check the official reports from the Silver Institute, there is no military category. It's invisible. Why? Because the US has officially labeled silver a critical mineral. They know that without it, the defense, energy, and tech sectors stop dead. It's no longer just a commodity. It's a national security asset, so demand is vertical. What about supply? Here's the shocker. 70% of silver is mined as a byproduct. It only comes out when we mine lead, zinc, or copper. If the price of silver triples tomorrow, miners can't just turn on the tap. They have to wait 7 to 10 years to build a new mine. Meanwhile, silver inventories at the COMEX have plummeted by 70% since 2020. The buffer that keeps the market stable is almost empty. So why isn't the price $100 yet? One word: paper. For decades, big banks have traded paper-silver contracts for metal they don't actually have. Estimates suggest there are hundreds of paper claims for every 1 physical ounce in the vaults. It's a giant game of musical chairs. But recently, the players have stopped taking cash settlements. They want the physical metal. When the vaults run dry and the paper shorts are forced to buy back physical silver to cover their bets, we're going to see a short squeeze that makes GameStop look like a warm-up. If you adjust silver's 1980 peak for inflation, it should be over $150 an ounce today. In a world of $70,000 Bitcoin and $2,500 gold, silver is the only asset still trading at 1970s prices. The volatility isn't there to scare you. It's the sound of a coiled spring. Are you holding physical silver, or are you waiting for the squeeze to start? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for the next update. Jai Hind.